August 20th, Grand River, and this is testing my latest incarnation of Kayak Studio. So that's front camera. Now we're going to put on the back camera because there's a... What I was doing before was propping a mini tripod up in my breast pocket here with the phone perched on top, but it was too close to my face, and sometimes it would kind of lean to the left, lean to the right, causing a little bit of possible seasickness for anybody watching the video. Now I've got this grippy flexible leg tripod that I've secured to the front of my kayak, and it has attachments for a smartphone or a GoPro, and I would just like to see if I can stick with my phone, because number one, I've already got it. There's no huge financial output at this time. It's my kayak is very secure, so there's no danger of rolling over and wetting my phone. Well, it's water resistant, not waterproof, but water resistant. Anyway, I'm just going to keep trying this and keep tweaking my DIY boat recording mobile studio. The other thing I've done is, I talked about this in another video before, is that I've placed some foam as a windsock onto the microphone of these wired earbuds. And previous tests have been pretty good. This wind noise has been greatly reduced, and oh, got lots of heron activity here. Yeah, so anyway, this is what I'm doing for now until I can invest in a decent wireless mic system, because, well, you can get tangled up in these cords pretty easily. So yeah, so that's what we're doing here, and let's see if I can flip this around without turning the video off.